Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Finally, application form for IMU CT 2021 has been announced. My prediction was completely correct. This year, you don't have to go any exam center for the exam, but you will have to appear in the exam while sitting at the home. In this video, I am going to explain everything about IMU CT 2021. Application has been invited for 4 UG programs and 5 PG programs. Undergraduate programs are first BTech in Marine Engineering, second BTech in Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering, and third BSc in Nautical Science, and fourth is Diploma in Nautical Science (DNS). All these programs are residential programs. And postgraduate programs are divided into two parts. One is MTech, second is MBA. Under MTech, first is MTech in Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering, and second is MTech in Dredging and Harbor Engineering, and third is MTech in Marine Engineering and Management. And all MTech programs are residential, but MBA programs are non-residential. There are generally 4 major criteria for UG programs. First is your average marks in PCM, physics, chemistry, math should be more than 60% in class 12th. And second, your marks in English should be more than 50% either in class 10th or class 12th. And third criteria is the minimum age should be 17 years and maximum age for general candidate is 25 years, for OBC 27 years, and for SC and ST 30 years. However, 2 years of relaxation has been given for female cadets, and the age will be counted from 11 October 2021 when session will start. And last and fourth criteria is that the marital status of the student should be unmarried. Physical fitness certificate is required for everyone during admission, but for BSc Nautical Science and DNS, eyesight is very important. The distance vision and edit should be 6/6 in better eye and 6/9 in other eye. The last date for IMU online registration is 20 August 2021 till 11:59 p.m. And you will be able to download your admit card from 25 August 2021, and the exam date is 29 August 2021. Result will be declared within 10 days of the exam. However, you should check the website regularly because it may change also due to COVID situation. And CET will be conducted through online proctored mode, and you have to give exam while sitting at your home only. However, you will be monitored through webcam. If you will be found doing malpractice, then you will be blocked. For UG programs, there are total 200 questions in the test, and for that 3 hours will be provided. And the syllabus is English, General Aptitude, Physics, Chemistry, and Maths of class 12th level. However, mock test is provided by IMU after your registration. Similarly, there will be 120 questions for MBA programs and 200 questions for MTech programs. One very important thing that you should keep in your mind is that there will be negative marking for wrong answer. This rule is newly added. There was no negative marking at our time. So be careful while answering. Just visit official website of IMU headquarters www.imu.edu.in. You will find their link for IMU CET 21-22 registration. Registration process is divided into two parts. First is basic registration, in which you will have to create your user ID and password. And second is detailed registration, in which you will have to fill all the personal details, marks of 10th and 12th, everything. And you will have to also upload the documents. And the documents required is first, scanned copy of passport size photograph, second, scanned copy of 10th mark sheet, scanned copy of 12th mark sheet, and fourth is community certificate in case of SC, ST or OBC NCL, and also in case of EWS, economically weaker section. After uploading scanned copy of signature and required documents, you will have to make payment. The amount of payment is 1,000 rupees for general and OBC candidates and 700 rupees for SC and ST candidates. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to attend the mock test. If you have still any doubt, just write in the comment box. I will be there to reply, and all the best.